Kava, Piper methysticum, is a herb with a rich cultural history and an ever-growing reputation in modern herbalism. Native to the South Pacific, Kava has been used for centuries in traditional ceremonies, social gatherings, and medicinal practices. Its calming effects, ability to reduce stress, and role as a natural sleep aid make it a popular choice in herbal remedies today. However, like any herb, it must be approached with knowledge and care. Before we look into the benefits and uses of Kava, don't forget that each and every morning, a new quiz question on herbalism is posted on our community page for you to test your knowledge. Don't forget to check these out. Origins and traditional uses. Kava, a member of the pepper family, is native to islands in the South Pacific, including Fiji, Tonga, and Vanuatu. The word Kava comes from the Polynesian word awa, meaning bitter, a nod to its taste. Traditionally, Kava root was chewed or ground into a paste and mixed with water or coconut milk to create a ceremonial beverage. In Pacific cultures, Kava was and still is central to rituals, community bonding, and spiritual practices. It is consumed to promote relaxation, foster conversation, and mediate disputes. Kava's role in South Pacific heritage highlights its value as both a social and medicinal herb. Health benefits. Please note, as always, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Kava is prized for its calming effects, which stem from active compounds called kavalactones. These compounds influence the brain's neurotransmitters, particularly GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, which plays a role in reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Stress and anxiety relief. One of Kava's most well-known benefits is its ability to alleviate mild to moderate anxiety. Studies suggest that Kava may help reduce feelings of nervousness and improve overall mood, making it a natural alternative to pharmaceutical anxiolytics for some individuals. Sleep aid. Kava is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia. Its sedative effects can help ease the transition into sleep without leaving the grogginess often associated with over-the-counter sleep aids. Muscle relaxation. In traditional and modern herbalism, Kava is also noted for its muscle relaxant properties, which can help alleviate tension and physical discomfort caused by stress. Improved focus. Unlike some sedative herbs, Kava can promote relaxation without impairing cognitive function. This makes it useful for individuals seeking calmness while maintaining focus during the day. Potential for pain relief. Kava's mild analgesic properties have been used to address headaches, menstrual cramps, and other minor aches and pains. Preparation and usage. The traditional preparation of Kava involves grinding or grating the root, mixing it with water, and straining the liquid to create a drink. Modern convenience has expanded Kava's availability in forms like capsules, tinctures, powders, and teas. Forms of Kava. Kava powder. Ideal for traditional preparation. Mix with water, knead, and strain before drinking. Tinctures. Easy to add to beverages for a quick dose. Capsules. Convenient for controlled, measured intake. Instant Kava mixes. Pre-prepared powders that dissolve easily in water or milk. Dosage. The appropriate dosage of Kava depends on its form and the individual's needs. For anxiety or relaxation, 70 to 250 milligrams of kavalactones per day is a commonly recommended range. Always start with the lowest effective dose and consult a professional herbalist or healthcare provider for personalized advice. Precautions and safety. Despite its benefits, Kava is not without risks. Reports of liver toxicity raised concerns in the early 2000s, though these were mostly linked to low-quality products or improper preparation. However, it is essential to use Kava responsibly. Who should avoid Kava? Individuals with liver conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding individuals, those taking medications that impact the liver or interact with GABA receptors. Tips for safe use. Choose high-quality Kava. Opt for products made from noble Kava varieties, which are safer and more effective than two-day Kava. Limit alcohol consumption. Avoid combining Kava with alcohol, as both can strain the liver. Monitor duration of use. Long-term daily use is not recommended without breaks to avoid potential dependency or liver stress. Kava is a powerful herb with a rich history and an array of health benefits. Its ability to reduce stress, promote relaxation, and aid sleep makes it a valuable tool in modern herbalism. However, like any herbal remedy, it requires informed use to maximize its benefits and minimize risks. By exploring Kava's traditional and modern roles, we gain not only a useful herbal ally, but also a deeper connection to the cultures that have nurtured it for generations. Whether enjoyed in a calming tea or taken as a tincture, Kava offers a natural way to bring balance and peace into daily life.